Little boy Raj, where are you?
Ma, I am here.
Come here.
Ma, I am playing with my friends, ma.
Only 5 minutes, pa. Come here.
Okay. What can I do for you, ma?
Go to Muthu's shop and get some cinnamon,
Cinnamon,
bitter leaves, ginger,
ginger,
and garlic.
and garlic. Okay, ma. Give me the bag and money.
Get it soon and come.
Okay, ma. I get it soon and come.
Raj,
where are you going? I am going to the Muthu shop.
Shall we join you?
Okay, come with me.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa.
Open your mouth. Hello, Muthu uncle.
Hi Raj.
Hi, Uncle.
Hi Kutties. What do you want?
Amma said something to buy. What are they? Sesame seeds.
Sesame seeds.
Onions. Tomatoes. Pickles.
Take it. Give me the money.
Okay, Muthu uncle. Bye.
Bye.
Johnny, yes, Papa. Eating sugar, no, Papa. Telling lies, no, Papa. Open your mouth.
Bye, Raj.
Bye, Raj.
Amma.
Have you got everything?
I bought everything, ma.
Pickles, onions, tomatoes, sesame seeds,